Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly, your transmission starts acting up. Delayed shifts, unresponsive gears, or even limp mode. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and it shows P0890 transmission control relay circuit low. This means the transmission control relay isn't supplying enough power to the transmission control module, TCM. If this issue isn't fixed, it can lead to serious transmission problems. In this video, I'll show you the sensor locations, causes, and step-by-step solutions to fix P0890. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0890? DTC P0890 means that the transmission control relay is supplying a voltage lower than expected to the TCM. This relay controls power to the transmission system, and when it fails, your car may struggle to shift gears properly. Common symptoms of P0890: hard or erratic shifting transmission stuck in limp mode, delayed acceleration, check engine light on transmission, warning light on sensor and component location, very important. Transmission control relay, TCM relay, found in the underhood fuse box near the battery or firewall. Some cars have it inside the dashboard fuse panel behind the glove box. Transmission control module, TCM, usually mounted on the transmission housing or near the engine bay fuse box. Some vehicles have it inside the transmission valve body. Relay wiring and fuse box wiring runs from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. If wiring is damaged, it can cause low voltage in the relay circuit. Check your vehicle's repair manual for exact locations. What causes P0890? Weak or failing transmission control relay. Corroded or loose relay connections, blown fuses in the transmission relay circuit. Wiring harness damage or short circuit, faulty transmission control module, TCM. How to fix P0890. Step 1. Check the transmission relay. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 2. Inspect the fuse box and wiring. Look for burnt fuses, loose terminals, or broken wires. Step 3. Test relay voltage using a multimeter. If it's too low, replace the relay. Step 4. Check the TCM for water damage or corrosion. Clean and secure all connections. Step 5. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and test drive the car. Fixing P0890 is important to keep your transmission working properly. A faulty relay or wiring issue can lead to complete transmission failure. Check the relay, wiring, and TCM connections to get your car back to normal. For more OBD-II error codes, watch these videos next. P0646 AC clutch relay control circuit low, P0647 AC clutch relay control circuit high. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.